Hi, hello there. I sound like an ASMR guy. Hi, hello there. So I prepared a cup of joe for today because I'm not doing a tutorial. It's a nice, chill Sunday. And I decided to do actually something that I've asked people a couple of days ago on Instagram. I wanted to do something special for 2K subscribers on YouTube. And I put a couple of options. And one of the options was to see me make an intro or for the actual channel. So I didn't prepare anything in advance for this. Just gonna go with the flow. We'll see what we end up with. Maybe I'll do just the whole video. Maybe I'll do just some snippets. Depends on what the flow and how long is it going to be, because I don't know what to expect actually. In any case, yeah, let's start. I think the best, yeah. Let's start. I was thinking about making something related to tasty tutorials. I usually say that in the beginning of the tutorial, so I think that's something that we should go with. Okay, so I'm gonna start by first checking. I want to just get a couple of references. Oh, nice. We have a couple from, oh, rather Derek Elliott. Oh, Pinterest. Pinterest is going to be the best thing here. So Pinterest, I have to log in to search curvy text. Yeah, so this is something. Ooh, yeah, this is real nice. So something like this. Ooh, this is mega clean. Just Breathe. This one is also really freaking good. How about this one? This also isn't that bad. Also, it wouldn't be that difficult to make. Prolonged kind of thing. Oh, this is a cute one. I think I could be, I can imagine doing like tasty tutorial. I have no idea how to make fonts. So I think in essence something curvy. I think curvy is the way to go. I don't really like the lighting here. I don't like this shiny stuff over here. I'm really in love. I actually really like this lighting over here. It's like really close to a surface. Definitely gonna go with something pink, white. That's actually really good. That would actually work really well with the theme. It could be like tasty tutorials, and then I could do like the tasty would be the ice cream, this sort of ice cream type of thing. Could do the other part hair, because you can see like the hair stuff is really freaking good. I think that if I can make a really good hair thing like this one, it's gonna work. In terms of idea, so it's going to be tasty tutorial. I'm gonna use the ice cream type of design, or rather material or modeling, for the tasty part, and the tutorial is going to be maybe hair or something. Like the animation doesn't have to be necessarily like mega difficult. Pinterest, guys, Pinterest. Whenever you're lost with ideas, just go to Pinterest. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. This is like mega fucking tasty. Definitely will be using like really light colors, because these are the references that I picked, and like all of them have this very pinkish to yellowish or very soft type of colors. So this is our color scheme essentially. I think the most difficult part is going to be the type. So modeling the type so it really looks like real tasty. I think the easiest way here is to go with the path, focus on this type of font, this type of lighting, and possibly color scheme, and this is going to be the material for the tasty part. So let's first start with the tasty part. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out how to make it not wrinkle, but it's wrinkling for some reason. Maybe I just have to... Why the f do I have that wrinkle? It isn't that bad. It isn't that bad. I don't know anything about type. Basically, I think that this is the trick that they used. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'm just completely wrong and I don't have any idea of how to do anything, and I should probably stop 3D, but yeah, well, go figure. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. That actually isn't bad. What the hell? Okay. Less difficult than I expected, but I don't want to say anything too soon, because you know how it is with 3D. Sometimes you just get it in the ass and then you don't know why it's happening. And that's an ass, everybody. Okay, so I think I'm figuring out the logic behind it. Trying to figure out, I know that probably like 10 of you are screaming at the screen right now, like how to do this. Ooh, if I push this guy in front, I'm forgetting that I'm working 3-dimensionally, so this is like really interesting. I've never worked like this in type. Never tried to figure it out. I was always afraid of type to no end. I don't know how to do the G. What the no? Ooh, that's actually real smooth. Nice. Yo, I think we got it. I think I found out the problem. Maybe curvature. Fuck, I'm losing it. It's gonna be fine. We have our capital T for now. This guy has to go behind it, okay? So if I'm doing this, I have to do it like this. So this, I have to move in front. Okay. I don't actually hate that. Okay, but this isn't that bad, actually. Come on, for my first time doing this, it's like actually not that bad. So you see, this is like sort of the diagonal line that I'm trying to follow. So maybe if I correct it even more, the R is gonna be... Oh. Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. R to f***ing outside. No. No. And we've got ourselves an O. No, it's not working. That curve is not working. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's an L. It's an actually good L. What the fuck? Kind of surprising because, again, I'm surprising myself. I've never done this sort of stuff, so I want to do something with hair. I don't know why. I just feel like something with hair should work. We've got our mesh, or actually part of our mesh. Maybe the T, I'm not entirely sure about the T. Maybe if I can just... I'm gonna move on. I think I've done what I could with the modeling. Maybe I could have spent more time. I'm just going to put this into a separate, like, recovery. Look at that tasty, beautiful font work. I'm so stoked that it's working. Wait. Maybe I can pull this guy down. Ooh, that actually looks so tasty, dude. That's so nice. Come on. How can you not like that? That's I'm just not gonna try anything else because it's like it came out better than I wanted, actually. Bring it out, and we have our tasty part. Come on. Never change the settings of the hair when the hair is baked. It is a bit too much. It's covering most of the font. It's not working very well, so I'm definitely not gonna go with that length. The main form is there. I would have to see it in rendered mode to actually decide, so I'm just gonna jump to cycles. I almost never work in Eevee. I don't really like Eevee that much. By the way, my hard drive crashed. I was doing a tutorial, I wanted to do a thumbnail, and the hard drive just got corrupted. What? Wait, what? Delete all bakes. Why didn't it render it out? Oh dear God, it's already started. Normals, problematic. What's the issue? It's the same system. I'm using the same, it's the same system copied. Why isn't this one working? I'm not gonna get angry. Just gonna be calm. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Let's change the display amount. Maybe that was the issue. And we need to reset it. Maybe it's like with cloth. Sometimes cloth just... You need to just reset everything and it's gonna be fine. Okay? It was working before. You saw it. It was working. Just the T wasn't working. I just have this really bad feeling that I'm gonna press render and it's just going to be the same error again. And I'm gonna spend the next hour just figuring out why the f it's not baking the rendering the hair, whatever. Just not gonna look. Just gonna wait a couple of seconds. And I would be a really happy boy if I see a rendered hair. I clicked disk cache. Oh, for Christ's sake, make it work. Oh, fucking finally it works. It baked all of the hair. Success. People, we finally did it. This is what we have up until now. We have the tasty bit with the cupcake type of look. We have the tutorials part, which has hair, and now it's finally working. So this is what it looks like in rendered view. So I think we're getting close. I think we have a really good basis. Okay, so there's two ideas. One idea is to just do panning, like really close up panning. So one diagonal, the other diagonal, or just horizontal, and then one that like goes back. So it does this type of movement. So it moves back. The other idea is that I actually change the tutorials part. So basically I animate like first the hair, then maybe I do a different one and then a different one. It has that really tight shadow. We really need a tight shadow. I think like the gradient stuff is working in my advantage here, even though I wasn't necessarily expecting it. So it's like going, that's kind of tight. I need a deeper pink. I'm not in love with the color scheme. Yeah, but that yeah, I think that the shorter hair, less particles definitely works. The tasty part, I think this one, just the background. I just want to get the background. So maybe if I do it like, okay, let's try how can you how can you not like that? Come on. Yes. It's working like this. So if it's 25 frames and it's 53 times, so it's like 2 seconds each. The hair actually looks pretty dope. I don't know. I think I'm done. I think it looks real good. We have about 4.5 minutes per render. I think it's time for final rendering. So we did like the metallic. I didn't go with the initial idea of the ice cream. I just switched it. I thought the metallic looked better. Rips your eye towards the tasty. And then you have the hair that also catches your, you know, your interest, and you're looking like down and looking at the hair. The pink is working, the blue is working, the tutorials part is working. It's just a blast. I think it came out really well. So this is it. We finally arrived to the end of our journey. Yeah, I would definitely repeat it. Maybe I will repeat it for another milestone. I actually really enjoyed the process, even though I lost my mind a couple of times. I would like to thank anyone who takes the time to watch this train wreck of a video. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. I always read those. If you leave a like, that helps me out a lot. And yeah, to everyone, see you in the next one.